Hi everyone, welcome to Lilac Oaks Farm. I am Renee and this is one of my leg bar chickens along with the noisy goose over there. And in this week's episode we are doing some fun facts about these lovely chickens. Just things that I was surprised to learn about when I was researching if I wanted a chicken or not. I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a blast creating it for you. So let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed the video or not. And now to the rest of the video. She's so pretty. Oh. Did you know that it takes 4 pounds of feed just for one chicken to lay 1 dozen eggs? That's an awful lot of food. And it takes forever to get those dozen eggs. Did you know that chickens actually can remember 100 different people or animals? And they have such a small little brain. That is an awful lot for these chickens. And that annoying goose. Most of us know that chickens really can't fly. They can glide really well. Some can fly, but they can't fly away down south like most of the wild birds do. But the longest flight for a chicken was 13 seconds, and it went for over 300 feet. As far as I know, that's up to date. I don't know if there's anything longer than that, but that is what I have. But you can see right here, and take test number 1, it was a complete dud. I tried using one of my Anconas, and for take 2, I actually required my husband, and we used our California leg bar mix, and she didn't go very far either. Some chickens got it, and some chickens don't. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and to turn on the notification bell so you will get notified when I upload a new video. And also let me know if you'd like to see more chicken videos down in the comments. So I created something fun for this next fun fact. And this fun fact is about why the chicken crossed a road, and its first publication was back in 1847 in a New York magazine. Now here's your fun clip. Enjoy.
The age-old mystery's finally solved. Okay, everyone, picture this. A sunny country road, 1 lane, and our feathery friend Clucky standing at the edge. Now, Clucky isn't just any chicken. She's got big dreams. So why does Clucky cross the road? To get to the egg sighting side, of course. But wait, there's more. Clucky's heard rumors about a legendary cornfield on the other side. And who can resist the call of the perfect corn? Not Clucky, that's for sure. And here's the scoop. Clucky is also on a mission to find her long-lost cousin Pecky, who's rumored to have opened a chicken spa over there. Yep, a spa. Chickens need their R&R too, So next time you see a chicken crossing the road, remember that they have big plans, big dreams, and maybe even a spa day.
Did you know that supposedly, as chickens age, the eggs that they do lay get bigger? Now, I don't know about you, but in my opinion, it's kind of 50-50. I have some that get bigger and then some that get smaller. So these are from older hens, and these are from my this year. Well, it's last year's. They didn't start laying until March, so they're basically this year's hens. And they're kind of like almost the same size. They're not too much bigger. I have one more, this one. So this one's a little bit bigger. Sorry about the lighting. Some of them do get bigger, some of them don't. Some of them stay the same, like these are kind of the same. So I guess it all depends on the breed. Did you know that there is a mushroom that supposedly tastes like chicken? It is called the chicken of the woods. I never knew there was such a thing, that a mushroom could taste like chicken. But then again, I hear alligator or frog, everything tastes like chicken. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did in the comments down below. It was super fun to make. It was just some simple fun facts that I didn't know about when I first started taking care of chickens, and I thought it'd be fun to share it all with you. And if you are interested in more chicken videos, one that I did about how we take care of them in winter, you can click here. I will see you over there. Thanks for watching again, and I will see you in the next one.